everybody, this is Max with FlexArm here. Just wanted to give you some information on the tap test that we recently did for our friends out in Duluth, Minnesota, Altec Industries. So within this tap test, we had to tap 5/8 by 11 holes in A572 steel, which is a little bit different than our 1018 or A36 mild steel. But for the tap test, we paired it up with the RE-24, which is our largest electric tapping unit with a multi-positional head. It actually was no challenge for the FlexArm. Not only were we able to tap the holes, we were able to ream out the holes and chamfer them as well to kind of clean up any irregularities with the hole or any burrs that came up. So with that being said, if you find yourself in an application in which you are needing to tap laser cut holes or plasma cut holes, give us a call. Let us walk you through our process. We can show you the absolute best way to get that done and to save you time and money moving forward. I look forward to helping you.